Hello everybody and welcome back to CSE341. Here we are working on a secondary project here. And in this project we've started up calling it Project 2. And we've set up controllers for house, for cars. We have our database set up. Our node modules is grayed out because of our get ignore. We've got some routes to be able to access everything, some swagger, our environment, ignore, we're ignoring things like our rest, and our package log, package JSON, it's all automatic, server, JS, our swagger, this is where we're getting things set up, our JSON, and this was a test database. I was having a hard time getting my database file to come up, and it wound up being a comma right here where it shouldn't belong. So let's jump right into it. We're going to go over to our render API docs here. So if we go in and let me actually show us as if we're just clicking on it right off the bat. And oh no. Let's give this a quick pause while this catches back up with us. Alright, we're back and it finally worked. It took a long time for it to load, but as we get in, this is what it shows. Then if we go into, for example, one of our other collections here that we built, let's take a look at this one. There's our little collection that we built for houses, and for project 2 as well. There's our little collection that we built. As we can see, we've got double here. That's because we want to delete one soon. So we go API docs, and now we're in. And we can see that as we test them out, they should all work. This one says cores, and that's because I gotta press secure. So let's retry that. And there we go. Our result response. So let's start out with, we already saw that, so let's start with this one, post. So if we wanted to create something in our project or in our houses, so let's say we're getting a Datsun, and we'll say it's a sedan. Execute that, and it says that it worked with a 200, which means if we go up here to this get, we press execute, oh, wait, this one, get, try it out, execute, there it is. Oh, we've done it twice because I pressed it the second time down there at the bottom. Let's keep going. If we go down to here, and let's see, we've got our ID from these two that we've made extra. So if we take that one, and we search for it individually, go press try it out. It appears right there. And if we go to a put, it should also do, so that's if we're going to adjust something. So since it was misspelt, execute. And if we go back up to search for it, we'll just search for it individually here. It should be fixed right there. And then finally, pause real quick. So we go up here to the one that we want to delete. We can select it here. Go all the way back down to delete. And press try it out. Execute. And now it's deleted. We got a good code. If we didn't, then we get a error. The same thing works for houses. And I think I've got to demonstrate that as well. So we'll press one of the house ones. Execute. We've got a good response, and it shows the 3 that we built so far. If we wanted to add a new house, we can do so. Alright. So let's say it's another single family home. We'll say it's worth 100,000. We'll call it Idaho. Execute. And then it says that it's added. Prove that it's added by going up here and redoing this one. There it is. For example, if we wanted to change this one, we're going to copy this one down for our other things. For example, say we wanted to find it, there it is. If we wanted to edit it, so like this one doesn't have a name on it. So if we wanted to edit it, then we just change the things about it. And we'll call this execute. There it is, updated. We'll go up here and prove that updated, changed. Deleting, be the same thing. Put the ID in, execute, and it's deleted. Let's just make sure real fast while we're here that we are hitting everything on the list. And I think we are. Hitting everything on the list. Let's double check. It's not popping up. Get a list. Post and put are on there. We've got the try and catching, and we're showing that it is. Let's show that things are not going up to GitHub, the environment. So we'll go to our GitHub here. Richard not the right one. Repositories. Project 2. And we're showing that git ignore has environment, a rest, and a node modules, keeping that secure. And that's everything. Thank you for